Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a story about the time I almost traded my neighbor Dave's leaf blower for a 1971 VW Type 2 Westfalia. Why? Because this van is more legendary than Dave's conspiracy theories about squirrels. It's got that iconic Chianti red swagger, pop-top roof, and that magical ability to make you believe you can survive off-grid with just a can opener and a dream. Before I go any further, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell like it's the dinner gong at a campsite. We've got more vintage van tales, honest reviews, and the kind of humor that even your dog will bark at. Now let's dive into this time capsule on wheels. Recent work includes an oil change, drained fuel, and a rebuilt fuel pump. And yes, it's still got that distinct VW exhaust note that sounds like freedom, and maybe a slightly leaky seal. You'll find a classic dinette setup, galley block with what I believe is the original sink, faucet, and cooler. The pop-top fabric is torn, sure, but I think that just means it's waiting for you to give it a new story. No built-in bathroom. But hey, real adventurers shower with a garden hose anyway. There's space for a portable toilet, or as I call it, the throne of roadside royalty. At only 51,000 miles, this van's been driven less than my friend Greg's treadmill. And with the bid climbing just north of $12,000, it's still cheaper than most new smartphones with 4 wheels and a roof. Throw in a new canvas and maybe a Bluetooth speaker, and boom, you're glamping like it's 1971. So if you want a piece of rolling history, don't wait. The bid's rising faster than gas prices. And if you feel like helping us out for just $1 a month, less than a gas station donut, hit that sponsorship link under the video. Trust me, it tastes better than Dave's camping chili. Subscribe, laugh, and ride on. The road is calling, and it wants you to bring a spare spark plug.